Hey YouTube, Drazan family here. Got Raven in the seat next to me.
Hello.
Hello. And Max in the back seat, who told me after we started filming our first couple of videos that she changed her mind and she doesn't want her YouTube name to be Max, but tough, you're Max now. We are on our way to another family adventure. We're not going to Mount Hope Cemetery today. We're headed to Shirley Hills, Maine. Nope, not Shirley Hills. Where are we going? Shirley Mills, Maine. And we are going on a moose spotting tour.
There's a cemetery right there.
There's a cemetery right there. Maybe we'll check that one out in a future video. So yeah, we're heading to Shirley Mills. We're going on a canoe trip with a local company out there. We'll talk a little bit more about them later. Hopefully we're going to see some moose tonight. We'll get some pictures and we'll share those. You know, obviously when you're going on a wild nature tour like this, there's no guarantee that we're going to see a moose, but we have high hopes. The season's right. It's going to be an evening tour. So hopefully we'll have some cool stuff to share with you at the end of this adventure. So more to come soon, and we will talk to you again later. On the way to Shirley, we saw something down a side road that we did not expect to see. Here is a brief video clip of the resulting short detour.
Turn left onto Main 15 north, Main 16 west.
Wow.
Head south on Lowe's Bridge Road. Make a U-turn, then turn left onto Main 15 north.
That was awesome. All right, turning around. Here we go.
Dun, dun, dun.
All right.
I don't think I've ever been over a covered bridge before. And to have it
So cool.
fully enclosed is a little weird.
So cool.
This was unexpected.
Awesome.
Turn left.
All right, we're at Northeast Whitewater in Shirley Mills, Maine, getting ready to leave for our moose spotting tour. Raven and Max are inside getting checked in, buying some swag. Told it's a pretty good chance that we'll have a sighting tonight. It's been a hot day. We'll be down on a pond near Moosehead Lake in Maine, and apparently the moose like to go down and take a quick dip in the evenings after a nice hot day, so hopefully we'll get some good shots tonight. More to come. Even before the van left for the pond, we managed to engage in some tomfoolery, and Raven spotted a giant creature roaming across the lawn.
I have never seen an ant that big in my life. He's heading for your foot, Brian. He's like an inch long. Brian's foot for size. Holy crap.
On the way to the pond, our guide spotted a moose grazing off the side of the road, and he stopped so we could enjoy the sight and take some pictures. Unfortunately, we were facing straight into the sun and we couldn't see the screens on our cameras, so we were shooting blind. Our images are almost all blurry, grainy, or off target, but it was still an incredible experience.
I can't see.
There's your moose. I can't. After our moose sighting, we headed up to First West Branch Pond to board our canoes. No more moose were to be seen, but the wild, remote beauty of the pond is something we'll never forget. We paddled around for about 90 minutes, and we even got to see a nesting loon. It was a perfect end to our adventure. Special thanks to Mike, our tour guide. Thank you to the wonderful staff of Northeast Whitewater for providing us with this great experience. Thank you to the other families that came along on this journey and helped to make it a memorable evening. And thanks to all of you for sharing it with us. Our next big adventure, whitewater rafting,